Crikey, mates. G'day. Nature Guy here, out in the Amazon wilds, looking for something really special, something amazing. And I think I found it. Look at this. Oh, crikey, mates. Ain't she a beaut? All right. Give it a little tickle. Let it know it's your friend. Oh, yeah. Oh, there we go. Oh, lively. Oh, lively. Oh, yes. What have we got here, mate? Oh, we've got the amazing Middle World Berberine HCl with bitter melon and banana leaf. Oh, lively. Talk about, hey, calm down. It's all right. Yes, very, very friendly, these guys. Non-GMO berberine supplement, and it's great for your blood sugar support, supports your lower cholesterol, support your heart health. Oh, very supportive, I know. And immune defense. Oh, what's that? Oh, he's giving me a little whisper. That's right. You get little Middle World whispers with these guys. Oh, not only that, he wanted to let me know that, hey, every time you take one of these guys home, they plant a tree. Isn't that great? Good for you, good for the planet. Beautiful. Now, not only is he good for your immune defense, but you can find Middle World Herb Berberine HCl with bitter melon and banana leaf. You can find him with some of his friends, you know. You've got immune support and pre and probiotics. You got Berberine just HCl Fort, you know. And then you've also got the mushrooms. He loves to play with all those guys. Good friends. Yes. Well, I'm going to take him home now. Yes, because we've bonded. We've become good friends. But you go have a look, because there's amazing little critters like this everywhere. Go grab yourself some. Oh, look at that little fella.